Alrighty guys, so this is hot out, obviously, but here's what we got. Got it all welded on. So this is the license plate hole. This is the brake lights. That is the reverse lights. And they're, you know, almost got it finished. Alrighty guys, here she is. It's obviously not perfect, but you know, try your hardest, so whatever. Alrighty guys, here she is. Oh yeah. Alright boys and girls, it's a little bit early today. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I really don't want to be this guy, but I gotta go golfing with my friends, so I kind of have to, so. But, she's not completely finished. We gotta drill holes right there, lag this one down, and drill holes on that one. We're gonna be welding this plate on. We're welding this on so we don't have to bolt all of the center pieces down, but we gotta bolt the end of this one down as well. But this is what she looks like. She looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I like it a lot. But we're gonna go ahead and start welding this on real quick. Shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna try not to catch the wood on fire, because that could be a bad day. So, but other than that, yeah, we'll get to it. Alrighty guys, so we got this all welded. See how sexy that is? No, it's uglier than shit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grind that bad boy off and make her smooth, and then we gotta bolt it on, and then we'll be done. So it's almost a complete series there, boys. But yeah, we'll get to it. Alrighty guys, there we go. Get that off. It'll come off eventually. Got her bolted down, got her welded and painted. Oh yeah, she's looking pretty slick now. I just put one in there because, you know, there's no reason to put any more in there. But yeah. Don't mind this. It's just whatever. I haven't moved it yet. Look at that. You know, this little stubby thing right here, it looks like the back of one of those mega cab welding beds. It's ugly. Ugh. I think I got it just right. Cool. Alrighty guys, so here's what we bought yesterday. I bought it off of one of my friend's dads. I assume he had it on a semi, but I'm not sure. But she seems to be in really good condition, so. But today we're gonna work on getting that bolted down, and then we're gonna get this bolted down. And I forgot to get bolts for that, so I gotta go back to town. But we're gonna bolt that on the opposite side. Oh, we might actually bolt it on this side. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. And it's probably gonna go on the other side. Whatever. But yeah, we're gonna get that done, and then this flatbed build will be all done. So just keep watching. Alrighty, so here we go. Threw the welder on there. I got the leads, and these all the way across, including the oxygen tank and everything, they're all hooked to right there, obviously. I'm gonna get, what is it, either 2 or 3 3-inch wide by 1/4 inch by 87 3/4 to go underneath the wood and go across underneath these, underneath that, and underneath the other side of the oxygen tank holder, which would be like, it's gonna be like right here. That way everything's bolted down to solid steel. But everything seems to be on there pretty solid. I even mounted that little bad boy. Pretty cute, I can tell you that. But yeah, all we gotta do is build our little acetylene rack right here and figure that out. I don't know what I'm gonna do there. That's gonna be a struggle to figure that one out, but whatever. But yeah, so we'll get that done, and then we'll go ahead and, do a final video, I guess. Alrighty guys, I don't know how well you could hear me, but we just had a really big thunderstorm roll through, so here we go. This is the last video of this building this flatbed. I have one more piece to build. I'm gonna show you where it's gonna go. That'll be its own separate video because I don't know when that's gonna get done. But here we go. So what we did is we went ahead and welded this bad boy right here, and then there's a tack right here at the top. So now she don't move. I gotta go through the welder's gas system and figure out what's wrong with that. That's how I'm gonna tie the mud board down for right now. But I went and bought some 1/4 by 3 by, what was it, 87 3/4, but I cut like 1 inch off of it to get her to fit. Yeah, they're not pretty, but I guarantee they're gonna hold. So, but that's how we bolted. That's how we bolted this down, those down, and then of course I did this again to myself. But there's a bolt right here. I don't know if I can get you in to see it. Right there. You can see that. That bolt is on the one that's right here. It's that bolt right there. And then those bolts, obviously. And then, oh yeah, those things are bright, by the way. I'll put a link in the description of what they are, where I got them, and how much they are. And there's some BB groundhogs that I'm not real happy with, but that's whatever. But yeah, I got this. And then I got that bad boy on. She looks pretty good, but I think I'm gonna have to get back in here on the other side and reinforce this thing. But again, we put them closer on this side because we had to center it here, but on that side we had the lead reels and the box. And then right right there. But that is the bolt I've been telling you about, and this one too. And those are what got bolted at 3-inch wide, 1/4-inch strip. But that's what she is, boys, for right now. And then out of this C-channel right there, this one right here, that's 10 foot long worth. This is for something else. But then we're gonna build a settling rack. And I'm thinking about dropping it like right here, going straight down. It's only gonna come down 12 inches, so it's gonna be like this far down or something. It's not gonna be too far down, but I want it right here in front of the tire, not up against the cab or anything, because I gotta get back and put this on every time I want to start it, because for some reason it's drawing juice and I haven't figured that out yet. But that'll be another fix, whatever. But we're gonna build the acetylene rack right here, and yeah, we're gonna tie it into like this edge right here, and then down here somewhere. But yeah, she's not looking bad for her first time, I can tell you that, boys. But I guess if you like it, subscribe, comment, and tell me how I did. Give me suggestions of what we could do better, what we could do different. Yeah, just keep watching the videos. Make sure you get your friends and family and everybody to subscribe and tune in, so hopefully we can get this thing off the ground. I'll see you guys later.